What is up, guys? This is Nick DeMathis here with another crypto update. First off, I'm going to talk about NFTs. They are not just art. What they are is a component to the virtual world. It could be virtual art, or it could be a virtual asset. So an NFT fox, an NFT gorilla, an NFT dog can be your virtual pet. And it can gain value based off the want and the need, or the supply or the demand for that animal, okay? So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the Dogs of Elon NFT marketplace, which is coming out very soon, and they are working on that shit really fast. They're creating 10,000 unique NFTs, which are currently in pre-sale. 40% of them have sold out thus far, and it's been about two to 3 weeks since the pre-sale started. And I bought mine for 8% of one Ethereum, and they're currently going on the market for 10% of an Ethereum. So you could guess by the end of the pre-sale they'll be going for around 0.13, 0.14. Second is, I also think you guys, if you don't know anything about NFTs, simply download an app called OpenSea, which is the current NFT marketplace where you can purchase these things, okay? So just download it, check it out, get yourself familiar with different NFTs. You can check out CryptoPunks, Crypto Doges, many different NFTs. There's some that are going for $1 million. There's some that are going for 5,000, 10,000, it doesn't matter. Also, I'm going to be telling you guys about the hot coins of the week/month. First, Floki Inu. I don't have that, but I recently saw a Graham Stephan video, and he seemed very enthusiastic about the Floki Inu. I don't really know anything about it, but if you want to learn more about the Floki Inu coin, I know it has gone up tremendously within the past couple days/weeks. It's probably going to pull back now because it was so hot, but check that out. Baby Doge is one that I own. It is a coin that has gone up over 158% in the past month, the past week. They also give reflections, which is basically where you hold the coin and it gives you more coins the longer you hold. So, for example, I own 500 billion, which isn't that much right now at the time. It's only like less than $2,000, but I am gaining 3 billion Baby Doge coins a week just for holding. Another hot coin, basically every coin. Bitcoin's been up, Ethereum's been up, Litecoin's been up, Solana. If you guys don't know about Solana, check that out. It has a lot of great usages. These things aren't just currencies, they have different uses in the blockchain technology. So Solana has a very good use, and that is why it has been up recently. Some new coins you guys can check out are 1, Pixelverse, 2, Meme Wars. Pixelverse is up 22% in the past 24 hours. It came out this week along with Meme Wars, which is up 9%. But I know Meme Wars is actually up over 100% in the past 24 hours. This is just within the past hour or two. It's been up 9%. Also, I want to talk about community building. So you could say, why are these coins going up with no value, with no use cases? The reason is because people want to join the community. They hear about Shiba Inu, and they want to be a Shiba Inu holder. They want to be a part of the Reddit community, the Discord community. It's basically, if you go on crypto.com, they say that Shiba Inu is a decentralized community building experiment. And what that means is, we don't know what the fuck is going to happen. This community can grow so large. They are burning the supply. We don't know what's going to happen. We don't know how high it's going to go. It could be big. It could take a lot of people's money. We don't know. It can go down 99% in the next 3 weeks. But right now it's a really strong community, and that's why I really believe in Baby Doge, because it's only been out since June, July, and they already have 14,000 holders, which is actually pretty incredible for a new cryptocurrency to have that many consistent holders. And that number is just compounding. It's just progressively getting larger and larger and larger. And I guarantee it's going to be higher, but I don't want to persuade anyone to buy something they don't feel comfortable with. So if you're interested in baby Dogecoin, give it a shot. The reason I bought it was because Elon Musk made a tweet about it very early on. And then I checked out the website, I started doing my research, and I found out a lot of good things about the thing. They donate to charity. They're creating a debit card, which I think is really cool. And they're creating an app where you can text message your baby Doges to your friend using what's called TextBit technology. If you don't know what that is, give it a look. Another thing is I've only been eating ramen noodles because I'm not rich, and most of the money that I make working my 25 to 40 hours a week is going mostly into cryptocurrencies and some stocks, and the rest is for food and other necessities. And the last thing I want to talk about is scams. We don't know what could be a scam and what could not. You could hit a jackpot, or you could hit a fucking 99% loser and you can lose all your money. So my advice is to not necessarily put all your eggs in one basket, not to go all in. I know all these people are saying YOLO, YOLO, YOLO on Reddit. I don't think that's the best advice. I think your advice is to consistently put money into multiple coins so that you're spreading yourself out and you have the best chance to get that next 100x, the next 1000x, the next Shiba Inu. So guys, if you made it to this part of the video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate you staying till the end, and have a good night and do your own research. Toodles.